Hello people, Seth Horst here. Sorry I haven't been uploading much lately. This video I'm going to do a comparison to two Lasko box fans. One from the early 90s, one from 2019. You can probably tell which one's which. And I don't mind the ragdoll cat. Okay, start off, you can definitely tell a lot has changed between the early 90s and 2019. There's also their cords. Which, fun fact, Lasko started using the blue fuse plug in 2006 after a recall. Okay, let's compare the side angle. Lasko fans certainly have gotten quite thinner. The one from the early 90s has the holes for a stand. Backside. The motor on the one from the 90s are definitely much larger than the one from 2019. Back guard is also a lot more simpler design. Unfortunately, I'm missing the feet for the newer one, but I still have the feet for the early 90s one. No speed. Now for a final comparison on high speed. The spin down. Okay, as extras, here's motor startups, starting with the early 90s Lasko. And the 2019 Lasko. Alright, that concludes this comparison of the early 90s Lasko and 2019 Lasko. Sorry, it's not quite the content I usually make, but I'll be putting out more videos as soon as I can.